Init. 44, 44 degrees. Labas muna tayo. Kalipas muna tayo ng oras. Hindi tayo magpahinga. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Hello guys, this is Coach Budoy again. Ito isang magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman po tayo, pagala-gala. Okay, dito sa tabing dagat. Ayan, high tide. Ayan naman. At palubog na ang araw. Init. 44, 44 degrees. Labas muna tayo. Kalipas muna tayo ng oras. Hindi tayo magpahinga. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Okay guys, shoutout tayo. Yan po kayo. BTC, Algaria Cycling, Subasco, Manyaku, si Over, same time, PGR, walang limutan, Sir John, Sir Mohammed, at si Gary Sweat, Middle East. Kaya yan, no? Nice. Right? Kita-kits. Okay guys, dito na tayo guys. Eto guys, kay Oryx naman tayo. Yan o, sunset na sunset. Masyadong maano ang dagat, maalon. Ayan tayo. Nice. Yun o. Nice, ganda ng ano place. Yun. Ay ba, samayan tayo. Lipas tayo doon sa dulo. Okay, tara tayo. Kita-kits tayo doon sa dulo. Yun, post office. Nice. Yala, katsak na tayo. Dito tayo ulit. Bayan, West Bay, Sheraton Hotel. Yan, Four Seasons Hotel. Okay, nice. So, makalma lang, relax lang. Nice tayo. Paggabi na. So, bakbak muna tayo. Ay, hindi pala. Pahinga muna ng konti. Mamaya tayo bakbak. Mainit pa masyado. Mainit na simento. Grabe ang sigaw. Mas patindi pa sa sigaw na singit ko. Okay. Tara. Basta alam. Nice. Ayan tayo. West Bay Beach. Doon sa loob, kami naliligo. West Bay Beach. Diyan tayo sa weekend. Diyan. Sa may bayan nyo kami. Ano ba ito? Intercon. Saka St. Regis. Hotel. Ayan. Okay, tayo. Nakaka-try. Try na nga tayo. Mas nakaka-try pa yung hangin. Grabe na to. Ba? Tayo. Natin. Kilit-kilit muna tayo mga guys. Okay. St. Regis Hotel. Katara at night. Sa parking lot. Intercom. Okay. So, tara. Samahan niyo ako. Okay guys, andito na tayo sa Legtipia Station. Ayan. Sa Legtipia Metro Station. Ayan, station. Makita niyo. Okay, dito man tayo. Pahinga lang tayo. Tapos pabalik na tayo. Ikot lang tayo. Isang ikot lang. Okay na yun. At kapoy na tayo. Masyadong mainit. Kita niyo ang mukha ko. Namumula. Kala mo naman tisoy. Hindi naman tisoy. Ayan, chinoy. Okay, ayan, kita nyo. Wala masyadong tao kasi may init. I think nasa 40 degree. 40 to 39 degree. Kaya wala masyadong lumalabas pa. Pero mamaya may mga lalabas siya sigurado sa gabi. Ibang kasama natin magbabike yan sa gabi. Okay? Meron tayong hindi tayo basta mapapagod dahil meron tayong Pocari Sweat. Ayan, na gloves. Di mangangalay ang ating kamay at the same time meron tayong nasa sachet niyan na nasa bottle natin at ating hina-hydrate. Kaya don't forget to hydrate with Pocari Sweat. Okay, sweet na sweet tayo. Okay? Yan, ba tayo? Yan ang ating playground. Sa bike lane tayo lagi. Hindi natin kaya yung ginagawa ni Sir Art. Yan ang mother grind. Mga malulupitang ruta. Kaya dito na lang tayo magpakita. Ayan. Pahinga tayo ng konti. 5 minutes lang. Tapos batak na tayo ulit. Okay? Konti lang. Okay na yung 40 kilometers. Okay, 40 to 45. Okay? So bukas enjoy tayo ulit. Hello guys. So, tapos na ang mahal na araw eh. Actually dito na tayo. Okay, sa atin meron tayong undas. So meron naman dito undas. Yan. Okay. Sabi ng Urido. So after ng undas, diretso tayo dito sa Andas. Hindi makita eh. Okay. So dito tayo. West Bay tayo. Okay, yan. Madilim na. Tayo kailangan ng umuwi at tayo. Puro gala. Kaya andas ng andas. Yan, taas. Ilang floor pa to? Hindi ko lang. Nice one. So, kita-kits to go. Mainit na gabi sa inyong lahat at high tide na dagat. Nice.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up